What is going on YouTube? How y'all doing? My name is Kevster and thank you first and foremost for tuning in to tonight's video. So I'm happy to have you guys here. As you can tell from the title of the video, my 2019 Honda Civic Si will be getting a facelift. So what I mean by that, I did get some nice little modifications, some parts, some goodies that will really change this front end and make it the way I want. So I've had this picture in my head for quite some time, so tonight I'll be making it a reality. So sounds a little cheesy, but you know, you get what I mean. Alrighty, so the first thing I got for the SI that'll really help the front end, kind of give it some character, is this front lip made by Greddy. And as you can see, I did choose to color match it. I chose to color match it because I love this Aegean blue so much on these new Honda Civics. Secondly, and this is probably the one thing I'm most excited about, is these headlights. So I know not many people know about these, yet alone have them in the attention community. So I'm very excited to get these on the car. And these headlights with this lip and one more thing that I'll be getting on Friday should all go together and look sweet. Got some reinforcements. What up, what up? Best believe I'm vlogging this. What up, bro? What up, man? Let's go. I'll show you guys.
New camera. Okay.
Hell yeah.
Alright.
Got the vlogger action going.
He's legit.
This is my homie Danilo. You probably saw him in the last video with the PRL intake video. Me, I'll send you right here, aka Mr. AR Built. So, but I'm really excited. Haven't started yet. I've been trying to vlog this shit, trying to get all the intros right and everything. But that paint came out pretty good, huh?
Ooh. What happened to the bumper being out before we got here?
Oh, we started with that one.
I know, huh? You want to start off on that foot?
Looks so good.
Oh, it's the first time you've seen it, huh?
Yeah.
That's right.
First time
I could already see it on the car.
So we're still waiting on the homie Alex to get here because he actually has a drill and everything for the lip. But for now, I can at least check up the car and put on the headlights. So that's easy peasy. This will go on last. Right, so the homie Alex just arrived here to join us. This is my boy right here, helping us out. So now what we're doing is just taking off the bumper. Start off by just removing these annoying retainer clips.
Annoying?
Huh?
These?
Yeah, because there's so many of them.
Annoying though? It's not annoying.
But yeah, that was kind of harsh, huh? We had to remove this little plastic thingamajigger. Yep, remove it from right over here, right above the radiator support.
The radiator.
Radiator support. And now we're just working our way, removing these little clips so we can pick these up and remove this little rubber weather stripping and pull the bumper off. And whatever he's doing.
Kevin, you're not even showing people how you're supposed to install this.
Mr. BTR, over here.
What?
What is the next process of removing this bumper?
I was going to say my video.
Yeah,
No, you own your version of this car.
I'm not telling you guys how to remove a bumper.
Fine, take the bitch off.
Take the bitch off.
Oh, how?
Hey, Kev,
You want to be smart, bro? Tell the viewers how to take
educate the people.
Obviously, there's a few more screws right here, and then clips at the bottom, and then that's it.
That's it.
And you pull it off.
Hey, would he like to demonstrate for us too? I think so. Alright, so now that we got all these little clips off and got this little weather stripping off right here, we can now get a little flathead.
window.
So you're gonna have to get something like that, push down those tabs.
Can't find it inside the hole.
Oh.
So now that releases that. There, same thing. This one's tricky.
Oh. That was a Latina for sure.
Facts.
Big facts.
So wait, here you go. Wait. Okay. Alright, cool. Now that it's all loose up top. It's all loose.
Whoa.
So now we can. So now that we have all the clips removed here from up top on the bumper, we've
Taking off the eyelids.
yeah, got eyelids. Thank you. We've released these. Now we can go underneath the car and remove all the extra clips, and also you gotta undo this screw right here and that screw right above. Pop it out, and then you'll have the bumper off. All right, so update: bumper is still not off, but I've tag teamed someone in who can finish the job, at least hopefully. I did break some clips though, so.
The way he said it.
Said what?
Alright, update. Bumper's still got
And yep, and Alex coming through with exactly what we need. There we go. Need those Allen keys. Oh shit.
You got the camera that close.
There you go, sir. I shall pass these on to you. handle with care.
Courtesy of my job.
Oh.
And then what?
And where is it that you work at, sir?
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, all clips, screws, anything holding down the bumper has now been removed. Thanks to all these guys over here helping me out. So, take over the camera, please.
Ooh.
So now we can remove the bumper. That is the laugh of someone. I don't like that laugh, dude. Me either. Over here. We got this side out, but now within yonder here, there's some tabs that we have to push down on to release.
I see it right there.
That?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Okay, that one's out. Okay, cool. There you go. Okay, cool. That one's good. Perfect.
See what happens when you have the right tool. Little lesson, kids. Always have the right tool.
Thank you. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, you sure? Let's go. Oh.
There we go.
Nope.
There we go. Now let's do it. Ready? No, not ready currently. Hey, wait.
Mamma mia.
Oh, that's wrong, bro. Yeah. We will not include sound in that because that sounded like a whole lot of shit fucked up. Alright, cool. Bumpers off. Okay, so, yeah.
Surprise install, the intercooler's coming out. We're adding go fast parts.
Shh. Let's do the headlights first. You think we need instructions on this? Hey, I like how that was a serious question.
Well.
Okay, I do have instructions, but I thought with all of our brain power here, we could figure it out. So we're gonna save the lip for the last install. We're gonna do the headlights. This will be the easiest. Mr. Camera guy, come over here. So for the headlight,
He's
holding.
a 4.
So you have 1, 2. Whoop, yeah, 2, and then
3.
3, and then one more in there. See it?
Oop.
Is there one there?
All the way down in there.
Yep, all the way in there. So
Down yonder.
4. Yep, 4. It is a 10, yeah. Or 12.
Yeah, look. This is a 10. Oh shit, it is a 10.
Like we said, do we need instructions?
I do, apparently.
Can I take over? Thank you, sir.
Hurt yourself.
Oh.
It's not a 10.
God damn it. That'll make a good time-lapse video.
It would be. This is when power tools would be nice.
Yeah, since I have an impact gun in the car. Hey, you have everything in the car, but not out here. Well, you asked for a drill. You didn't ask for anything else.
Okay, that's true. Okay. Okay, he is right. He is right. Should we keep it separate, Dad?
Yeah, it's right there. You want me to bring my impact gun with my drill adapter so go remember, I hope. Okay, that's that.
Now.
Ignored. Ignored.
I'll be back. What? You don't have this in the car.
Follow that little tunnel.
Yeah, follow this.
Oh, that one. Okay.
Do you have a
If not, I do. I brought my toolkit in.
Well, me too, but I'm still in the car. Mine's are in the car too.
Mine's in the car. They're all in the cars.
Do we need a magnet too?
Okay, so there's a little.
you need the
This has to be popped up. If you see that little clip right there?
Yes. Wait, where?
Right in there.
Oh,
Right there's a clip.
so it is fried.
Yeah, with a flathead.
Just right here.
Yeah, just pry it gently.
Mix up and then just. Oh,
See, there you go.
same with this or?
Should be the same. Yeah, same right there. You see the little clip in the center? There it is. Same thing. Just pop it up.
Oh shit. Okay.
There it goes.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, camera guy.
The bottom one to your right. Right here.
Is it? Oh,
So there's one more bolt.
So there's 5.
There's 5.
Okay, cool.
You can see it come off of the assembly. Right there.
This guy's a freaking natural, man.
Oh yeah.
I only did this for a living for a little bit.
And talking.
Oh.
Sometimes. Short extensions should do you fine. If you have one.
Yeah. So there's 5 10 millimeters.
On the side, right there.
Where?
Right there on the side, under the black plastic chief.
Oh. Oh, this.
That little Johnny right there. Don't you love when bolts feel like they're ready to come out?
Hell
And
yeah.
they just right there, that's money.
Woo. All right, hold on. Now,
The moment of truth.
Oh, so correction, there are going to be 10 millimeters holding down this headlight. Now we'll just unplug everything. That's that.
Oh, my bad.
It's just funny how you just.
Dunk.
Oh, wait. Oh, damn.
Well, and then the big guns came out.
For real, huh? Like, y'all taking a while.
Outright.
Alright.
And then one final tunnel down here.
Bye, Katie.
Later.
Missing something?
It's a good thing I got that one with my camera because I didn't know which one you were talking about.
So, the harness.
Oh, the entire harness.
Yeah, the actual harness itself. These little clips right here.
That's
They just slide out.
Oh,
So,
shit.
I'll see.
Oh,
Just literally slide out.
okay.
Same thing with this one.
Thanks, bro.
Literally slide it out. And then your assembly will come off after you take off the bolt.
Woo.
As such.
All right, no more stock headlight.
Say hasta la vista. Oh.
Yep, just that one there.
Oh, there it is.
Oh shit! Wait, what about this one? There you go.
Bingo.
And
The Django. So the last part of removing the headlight is
removing this bottom bracket here. And we're
Couple
gonna,
10
we're
mils.
gonna transfer it to the new headlights. And yes, these are 10 mils.
Hey, good headlight right here. Bam!
a trackside light.
These are pretty. Like, can I get this nice headlight out of the way, please? You sure you don't want to keep this one?
I don't know if he's ready for all that just yet.
So now we got everything plugged up, just making sure everything works with the lighting, low beam, side beam signals. Good.
Ooh, look at that sequence though.
So those are the low beams, high beams, turn signals. Oh yeah. Inside is in, as you guys can already tell. Whew, man. My boys are coming through and helping me out. Really appreciate y'all. They're working on that side. We're having an issue where one of the little.
So sometimes, not always, when you buy from third-party retailers, sometimes the fitment on the pins for the clips won't be perfectly spot in, so they won't go in easily. Do not force these in. You will create yourself a very bad day. Bend the pins if you have to, straighten them out, and then it should just glide in. If it's not, you're doing something wrong.
Yeah. So everything's in?
Let's try
Yeah,
the light
test it.
first.
Okay.
Because I didn't like how the
Yeah,
pins were
test it out. Cool,
being able to push in how it twisted. Okay. I don't know, Chief.
Ready? Yep.
Alright.
Okay. Low beam. High beam.
Jesus.
Okay, signal. I get the hazards.
Oh, you did the hazard.
Yeah. How come it's not working now?
Well, your car is off, sir.
Bingo.
Bang, bang, chicken wing.
Shit.
Damn. Hard.
Alright, cool. We good. Still got the gritty lip. What time is it?
We're a good time. 9:40.
Oh, dang. Okay.
9:45.
Cool.
Earlier than usual.
Hey, remember my freaking intake, dude? We weren't done until like 1:30 or.
Y'all didn't see this? Whoa.
Whoa. So my HID bulb fell out and it melted. So who wants to... hey, and there's the evidence right here.
You could have put out in time, guys.
Another side note, if you guys don't know what you're doing, do not use an impact to start a threading.
That's a very, very good tip. Alright, so now the lip is all mounted up. Looking really, really good. The paint looking really good with it. Matching just well. Huge thanks to Alex, all you guys. So the last step now is just put the bumper back on and see how it looks with the headlight. What's going on, everyone? So it is now the next day. I just got off work. It's 5:08 right now. Just got off work. So last night everything went smoothly. I do want to add one more thing to it. It's going to be a Honda part. So I did order it from my friend who works at the local Honda dealership right next to my job. So he was able to get the part for me next day. Yes, thank you, Jeffrey, for that. And so I just got off work, as I said. So I'm gonna go pick it up from him right now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. And there is the best service advisor I could ever ask for. Shout out to the best Honda service advisor right here. What up, bro?
Dude, what up?
What up,
man,
bro?
this
Hey,
is beauty.
thank you,
gotta
bro.
clean the wheels though.
Oh, dude, everyone's been giving me crap on that, bro. Oh, you got brand new this and that, but your wheels are freaking filthy.
Dude,
Thank-
this looks good.
Thank you, bro. No, it really brings out the front end, man. This is the homie Jeffrey, my service advisor, my barber, my everything, actually, man.
Yeah.
So yeah, so as I said, I did order a part that I think will look really good with the headlights and the color matched lip. So I'll show you guys how it looks in a bit when I get it and when I have it on. Again, huge shout out to this guy, best service advisor ever.
Oh shit, there's your boxes, baby.
Oh man, thank you, bro. Thank you. Alright, if you're a Honda guy, this is the best part. Seeing this label right here, Honda OEM parts, that's the best thing you could ever experience as a Honda guy. So what do we got here? What do we got? Dude, I've never been so excited for freaking fog light covers.
You're
Garbage,
finally
yeah.
get rid of the ones that came off the hatch.
Yeah, it's true. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. Just a little bit of extra blue zone looks so good. Alright everyone, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Unfortunately, I haven't had enough time to get some nice cinematic shots of the car's front end. Haven't had enough time to get some B-roll of it. But I will, of course, make an upcoming video that might showcase that. Just a little quick walk around, some nice beauty shots of the front end. But nonetheless, I still am going to show you guys how the car looks now with all the upgrades we did to it. So I'll be showing you guys that with pictures coming after this clip I'm filming now. But real quick, I do want to thank everyone who was involved in this. I want to thank you all for making this happen. If you're watching, thank you again, guys and girls, whoever helped out. And also, if you truly enjoyed this video, or you got some inspiration from this, or you just like how the car came out, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, drop a like, thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know if you guys want to see more content. Don't know if you guys can tell, but if you're a returning subscriber, you can probably tell that the videos now, this video was a lot better quality. I did get myself a nice little camera for, you know, this kind of style of YouTube content. So I hope this was enjoyable for you guys as much as it was for me. And again, as always, my name is Kevster, and I will see you guys next time around.